This video features standard cooking steps. You can scan the QR code on our packaging to view the easy cooking video. Video subtitles are available in multi-languages. The current meal sauce kit will be replaced by our innovative transformation all-in-one complete sauce. With our convenient, easy-to-use complete sauce for Mee Rebus, you can now make delicious Mee Rebus in 4 easy steps. Mee Rebus is a noodle dish of Malay origin served in thick, tangy, sweet gravy with a hint of chili. Here are the ingredients you need. We recommend Prima Taste Hokkien noodle. Watch till the end to learn how to prepare mini shrimp and tau kwa. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Add water and Prima Taste Mee Rebus complete sauce into a pot. Mix well. Bring gravy to boil. Stir occasionally and low boil for 1 minute. Turn off heat and set aside. Step 2. In a separate pot, blanch each serving of Hokkien noodle in boiling water for 15 seconds. Add bean sprouts and blanch for another 5 seconds. Shake off the excess water and place blanched ingredients onto a plate. Step 3. Reheat gravy and bring to a boil before serving. Add gravy to blanched noodles and mix well. Top with more gravy. Step 4. Top with boiled egg, green chili, Chinese celery, fried shallot, mini shrimp and tau kwa. Delicious Mee Rebus is ready to serve. Isn't it easy? Try it today. Not only is our complete sauce convenient and easy to use, it is also value for money, offering an average savings of about 6% as compared to other food outlets. We will now show you how to prepare mini shrimps. Fry the mini shrimp in hot oil for approximately 25 seconds or till golden brown. And they're ready for use. And now to prepare the tau kwa. Fry both sides of tau kwa in hot oil for approximately 30 seconds or till golden brown. Dice tau kwa and they are ready to use. Check out our website for more cooking videos.